Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a template in Mailchimp. So simply just click on create. So now here you have to select your relevant option. I am click on design mail because I want to design a mail template. So after this you will move to next session. Just wait for a few seconds. So you can see, so we have simple two options here, but we will click on new builder. So just click here, and now here you can see this is our mailing template. So simply what you need to do, just we will edit this. Just simply you can paste your photo here. So after this you can see, you can also add social media links here. Just type your social media links here, and after completing all this, now you can add your logo here. Just upload your logo. So now after this you can see we have added this template. Simply go here, and you can also add contacts, forms and subject here. So in this way you can easily design any template in Mailchimp.